In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Lightroom Classic to edit on another computer. This is a great way to ensure you have all your photo edits and collections available, whether you're at home on your desktop or on the go with your laptop. Let's dive into the process and make your workflow seamless across devices. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Adobe ID in Lightroom Classic. It's quite straightforward. Open Lightroom Classic and navigate to the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll find your profile icon or avatar. Clicking this will either show you that you're already signed in or prompt you to do so. Just enter your Adobe ID credentials and you're all set. Signing in is crucial because Adobe's cloud services require your account to access and sync data. Now that you're signed in, let's move to the next step, syncing your collections. This will make your photos accessible from other devices through Adobe's cloud. At the top right of Lightroom Classic, you'll spot a cloud icon. Click on this icon and a small drop-down will appear. Here, you want to select Start Syncing. What this does is it activates the sync function, allowing your selected collections to be uploaded to the Adobe Cloud. Remember, you need a stable internet connection for this process, so the synchronization can complete without interruptions. Next, head over to the Collections panel on the left side of your screen. Collections are essentially a way to organize your photos into groups, enhancing your workflow, especially when working with larger sets of images. In this panel, you'll see various collections of your photos. To sync a collection with the cloud, simply check the box next to it. This box might have a text label like Sync with Lightroom, depending on your version. Once you check it, you'll notice a double arrow icon appearing next to the collection. This icon signifies that the collection is currently being synced with Lightroom's cloud service. It's important to note that depending on your internet speed and the size of the collection being uploaded, the sync process might take a little while. Be patient and let the application do its work. Moreover, it's always a good habit to check that your Lightroom Classic application is up to date, to prevent any syncing issues and to have access to the latest features. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Lightroom Classic to sync your edits, making them accessible from another computer. This flexibility is perfect for photographers who are always on the move or those who prefer working across multiple devices. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.